the ultimate guide to cleaning your Hey Dude shoes.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into the recommended washing instructions for your Hey Dude shoes. It's important to properly maintain your shoes to ensure they remain in tip-top condition for as long as possible. Remember, every shoe is unique and thus requires special care.
Preparing your Hey Dude shoes for washing.
First and foremost, it's important to remove any loose dirt or debris from your shoes. This could scratch or damage your shoes during the washing process, or worse, could get lodged inside your washing machine. Take off the laces and insoles if they are removable. Use a dry brush to gently remove dirt from the surface.
Hand washing versus machine washing.
Now, let's discuss the washing methods. Hey Dude shoes are designed to be machine washable. However, depending on the level of dirt and type of stain, sometimes a simple hand wash will suffice. Hand wash. Use a mild soap or detergent and a soft cloth or sponge to gently clean the surface. Machine wash. If your shoes are heavily soiled, you can place them in a washing machine. Always use cold water and a gentle cycle to prevent potential damage.
Drying your Hey Dude shoes.
After washing, the drying process is crucial. Never put your Hey Dude shoes in a dryer, as the high heat can warp the shape and damage the material. Simply let them air dry naturally in a well-ventilated area, but not under direct sunlight.
Reassembling your shoes.
Once your shoes are completely dry, you can reinsert the insoles and re-thread the laces. If the insoles have absorbed odors, consider replacing them or using a shoe deodorizer. There you have it, the best practices for cleaning your Hey Dude shoes. With proper care, these comfortable shoes will last you a long time. We hope this guide has been helpful and that your shoes will soon be looking as good as new. Thank you for watching.